How's everyone doing? Today Shiela is gonna be showing you another nutritious drink called Cold Killer. The ingredients that we need are 1 pomegranate, 1 pink grapefruit, 1 lime to oranges, and 3 carrots. This drink is rich in fiber, protein, and particularly high in minerals and vitamin C. If you are watching this video, what is your favorite fresh juice? Please comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And here's our pomegranate citrus juice. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Shiela's YouTube channel for more updates.